In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Bitbucket repository. Whether you're new to Bitbucket or need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process using both the web interface and, if you're more technically inclined, the terminal approach via API. Let's jump right in with the web interface option, which is particularly user-friendly, especially for beginners. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bitbucket account. This is your gateway to accessing all your repositories, setting up new ones, and managing your projects. Once you're in, it's time to find the Create menu. Look for the plus icon, which is usually located in the sidebar or the navigation bar. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, and your next step is to select Repository from the list of options. Now you'll be directed to a screen where you can fill in all the necessary details for your new repository. Start with selecting the right workspace, which is essentially the organizational layer where your repository is going to reside. If you have a specific project you want this repository to be linked to, you can select it now. Alternatively, you can create a new one if this is a fresh start or if your existing projects don't quite fit. Next, you'll want to give your repository a name. Remember, this name will become part of the URL, so it's a good idea to pick something descriptive and recognizable. Keep it succinct but informative, and make sure it's under 62 characters, as anything longer might be cut off or become cumbersome. After naming your repository, you'll need to decide on the access level. By default, Bitbucket repositories are private, meaning only people you invite can view or clone it. If, however, you wish to make your work publicly accessible, simply uncheck the box to make it public. Bitbucket also gives you the option to include a README file right from the start. README files are a fantastic way to signal what your repository is about, and to provide any initial instructions or context that might help others understand your project's scope. If you'd like Bitbucket to pre-create this for you, select Yes. Or, if you plan to push existing code that already includes a README, you can select No. Once all these fields are set to your liking, go ahead and click Create Repository to finalize the process. You'll be taken to the repository's source page, where you can start adding files, branching out, or just exploring your new workspace. Remember, a handy tip while navigating the interface is to use Shift+. To view keyboard shortcuts, this can really streamline your workflow. You might want to check out the Settings, Commits, and Branches sections of your new repository as well. If you've initialized it with a README, you should already see at least one commit in the history. And there you have it, a new Bitbucket repository ready for you to start collaborating and coding.